In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the IDM extension for Google Chrome when it's not working. If your Internet Download Manager extension has suddenly stopped appearing in Chrome, or it's no longer catching downloads, don't worry. We'll walk through the most common causes and how to fix them, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, let's make sure the IDM extension is actually installed and enabled in Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Then look at the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the menu. From there, move down to Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. This will open a page that lists all the extensions installed in your browser. Look for IDM Integration Module. If you see it, check that the toggle switch is turned on. If it's off, turn it on, and then restart Chrome to see if downloads start working again. If you don't see the IDM extension at all, we'll need to add it manually. First, open Internet Download Manager on your computer. At the top, click on Help, then choose About IDM to quickly confirm that you're using the latest version. If you're not, go back and choose Check for Updates and install any available update. A lot of Chrome integration issues are simply caused by using an outdated version of IDM that isn't compatible with the latest Chrome updates. Once IDM is updated, close and reopen it. Now, in Chrome, go back to the Manage Extensions page. At the top right, enable Developer Mode. Then open the folder where IDM is installed on your computer. Inside, you should find a file named something like idmgcext.crx, which is the Chrome extension file. Drag that file from the folder and drop it onto the Chrome extensions page. Chrome will ask you to confirm that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension. After that, turn off developer mode again if you want, and restart Chrome. Next, let's confirm that Chrome integration is enabled inside IDM itself. In IDM, click on Options. In the General tab, you'll see a list of browsers. Make sure Google Chrome is checked. If it isn't, check it. Click OK, then close and reopen both IDM and Chrome. Finally, test the fix. Open Chrome, visit a site with a downloadable video or file, and try starting a download. You should now see the IDM download panel, or IDM, catching the download automatically.